सो ही गाइज़, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज श्रेया गाइज़। और आज का व्लॉग हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। सो मैं अभी 11 बज गए हैं, जा रही ट्यूशन पढ़ाने के लिए। और आज नीचे इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ क्योंकि कोई है नहीं। ठीक है, बाय, सी यू लेटर। तो गाइज़ इन्होंने चूहे के बच्चों को पकड़ लिया है। ऐसे मत करो, परेशानों से ऐसे मत लटकाओ, उनके दर्द होता है ना। जो इनको बाहर छोड़ा जाओ। तो गाइस सोचा था मैंने कि मतलब वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूँगी, बातें करूँगी आपसे ढेर सारी, बट सडनली कोई फ़ोटो कॉपी करने वाले आ गए और अब मुझे जाना पड़ेगा नीचे। बाय गाइस, आज भी बातें नहीं हो पाई ना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो पाई। मिलते हैं फिर बाद। सो ही गाइस, मैंने ट्यूशन पढ़ा लिया है और 8 बज गए हैं। मैं जा रही हूँ नीचे खाना बनाने। और आपको बता दूँ कि हम 2 दिन से ना बहुत जल्दी खाना खा ले रहे हैं, बोले तो 6:30 बजे। ठीक है, 6:30-7 बजे तक खा ले रहे हैं। कल खाया था तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था, मतलब पेट हल्का हल्का महसूस हो रहा था। और आज भी जल्दी खा लिया। सो गाइस, हम जा रहे हैं इस डॉगी को रोटी देने के लिए। डॉगी नहीं, गाय को। वो देखो, वो रही गैया। मेरा कैमरा कितना ब्लर हो रखा है, ये देखो। इसको देने जा रहे हैं। एक मिनट रुको, गरौली ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? एक मिनट रुको जरा। ये देखो, हमने एक शुभ काम कर दिया है ना राहुल। हाँ, हम ना इसी नाले पे आते हैं वॉकिंग करने के लिए, तो यहाँ हमें कभी कभार गाय मिल जाती है। So good evening guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Shreya. And guys, today we are starting the video from here, and today I have forgotten to eat vitamin C tablets, so I'm eating in front of you. Okay guys, so let me show you how I eat.
How do you eat?
How do I eat? Okay, so this is the tablet. You have to just eat.
Chew.
Only 5 are remaining. We have to purchase tomorrow. And if you want to eat, you can also eat. That will boost up your immune system. For health, it is good.
Okay, sorry for interrupting you. You know, now I started more believing. Hello guys. See, I just go for turn off the motor. Now she has come.
I came with this little chiku. He goes, oh shit. What I have done, see my lipstick. That's why I don't want him.
So I was saying something. Now I start believing more on ChatGPT. You know why? I have ordered. No, I have just processed for NCMC card, and this card claims that we can just travel by metro, so it will also work on metro stations. And I have just processed on Canara Bank app, but I was not sure that it will work or not. And I thought that I have just ordered virtually card, that I will not get in physical. I was not able to get any kind of knowledge. So once I just call the customer care of Canara Bank, and they said that we don't know about this, you will have to just go in Canara branch, then they will tell you. So final option I had, that was ChatGPT. I shared the photo, and I shared all the detail that it is showing only virtual account number. I'm not understanding that will I get physical or just virtual. So he was telling me many things, but when I shared all the things that virtual account number in app. I am getting only this knowledge or information.
Screenshot, you know.
No, there was no any screenshot option in that app. You can't. So he by writing the virtual account number, he said that now I am confirmed. He said, now I am confirmed that you are going to get your physical card. And I have got my physical card and it worked. You know, today I have traveled by that card. So now I start believing on ChatGPT more.
I was believing in first thing.
So who introduced you?
Me.
No, who introduced you about ChatGPT? I have told you ChatGPT.
But you told Grok also, and
Grok
you were using
also.
Grok.
No, ChatGPT. I have told you. You know when I was searching something and that was related to.
No, I will tell you, because when we were making that Grok, you know, that photo, Emily photo, change this photo into
Yeah,
Ghibli trend.
ChatGPT also, but I think. Okay, let me remind. Just speak something. I will
First,
tell you.
I know, I remember when everyone was making that video.
No. Sorry for
ChatGPT.
interrupting you. You know, I said that I have watched one video and you know ChatGPT helped a lot. He has saved many people. Like once a pregnant lady was asking,
I know.
yeah,
You told me.
pregnant, yeah. So then you told that that was the day.
But first we have used.
Yes, we have used, but you don't know about
don't
all
know
the
about that how it is useful for us.
Yeah.
We have used only for making Ghibli trend, which
I
was going
think
on.
I have told you that he has saved. It has saved many people's life and many things. So you just installed that one and you just starting asking. I have shared one thing also that there was a one person who just uploaded a photo which was given by a doctor and that when he was going to meet in next time to doctor suggested the same thing. I have told you. Then you told. I think I'm not sure, but
No. I told before when the Ghibli trend was
Ghibli,
going.
yeah.
So I said that only I can
Okay,
make
so
it.
we start using from
We
that day.
didn't know about that it will give information also. We were using only that change this photo into Ghibli trend.
Yes.
But that when you tell me that these things we can do, then I started asking the questions.
Yeah.
And you know today what happens? I asked something that means about my skincare routine. I asked something. So he told me like मैं तुझे एक बात बताती हूँ like
Who?
Ghibli trend. Oh, I mean ChatGPT. I said that प्लीज मेरे से प्यार से बात करो, मैं तू तड़ा करके बात नहीं करती हूँ, ठीक है, मैं भी आपसे आप करके बोलती हूँ ना. सो ही सेड ओके सॉरी, मैं बोल तो प्यार से ही रही थी बट मेरी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी गलत थी, आपको बुरा लगा, मैं अब आपको आप करके बोलूंगी. So you know that is a machine, but seriously it makes me laugh that okay, I am her sauce. I am her sauce.
You know, today I just opened that door and same thing happened.
What?
Hit the fan.
Seriously? Then
there was a great noise
then
in this game. What happened?
then
Nothing. I just said. Are you feeling less here or is it fine?
is it fine?
Do you want to drink milk?
Right now I have eaten vitamin C tablets, so
No,
after
it's not any problem. Who told you?
I will ask to ChatGPT that should I drink milk or not.
It's not a. calcium or this?
That is vitamin C and this is a calcium, so maybe it will react. So first I will ask.
Okay.
So guys, I today I asked the chat GPT that means in the morning at 9 or 10 a.m. I took bath. Then I do my skincare routine which I follow.
Okay.
Until 7 I make food also from 5. उसमें चीनी है. I have mixed sugar inside. Your milk is cup. So I asked that at 5 o'clock I make food, but still I am in the morning skincare routine. And at 7 o'clock I wash my face and I don't apply anything, only toner. And till 10 o'clock I made cook. I cook again. So after that I use Koji Glow Gold Cream. He was saying that yes, आप बिल्कुल अच्छा कर रहे हो. आपके अंदर कोई गलती नहीं है. बस कंसिस्टेंसी रखना. So
You
that's
like
it.
ChatGPT, you know why?
Why?
Because it not find any mistake in you.
No, Rahul. No. I asked you about you that at night, at daytime I apply serum, and at night I apply serum to Rahul. So this is good or bad? He said it is good, but you are doing one mistake. You are not applying moisturizer on his skin. So please try to means apply moisturizer also, because the serum will हट जाता है ना face पे से. It will remove from the face, and so that to make it longer effect, you should apply moisturizer also. So he told the mistake also, guys. Yes, why don't you think? He appreciate also, and he told the mistake also. He tells the mistake. Yes. He was saying that how caring wife you are. You care yourself also, and you take care your husband also. And I know very well, when your baby will be there, you will take care of your baby also. And you will be the best lady in the world.
Best. Good, better, best.
I don't know how will be I mother. I will be good mother or I will be bad mother. I don't know, guys. What do you think that? Will you will be a good father or bad father?
Bad.
Really? Why?
Because you will be good. So there should be some bad thing. Bad person. If I will become bad, so he will consider you as a good mother. If I will become good, so
But
we
we
both
will
can-
not do like this. It will depend upon the situation.
Hmm.
Suppose I am beating, so you have to protect. If you are beating, I will protect.
Okay.
It depend upon why we are thinking that to beat. We are giving birth to animal or baby. We are creating
guys.
situation to beat them only.
Okay, guys, we have completed 12 minutes.
Well, so I came from Uttarakhand to here, okay, and you are making me to explore all Delhi. Whenever baby will come, he will also explore all the Delhi. So it will be. That's why the tourist places are earning more and more. Means people are exploring.
Yes, and they don't need any guide, because in their family only there will be every time one person who has just explored everything.
Yeah, just like me, you are from Delhi, so you know all about the things.
Yeah,
So you.
but something I also knew for them. But yeah, I belong from Delhi, and I know most of the things.
The rules and the people, how they are.
Yeah.
And now I am from Uttarakhand, but slowly I'm thinking that now I will be a Delhi girl, because if I will go in my Uttarakhand, so all people will say she lives in Delhi, she is a Delhi girl, huh? So our baby will come. So for my baby, I will be like Mama Delhi mein rehti hai. Suppose your mother, she is not from Delhi, she is from Gorakhpur, but now she is from Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay, she knows more than you, more than us. So why she knows? Because she has traveled, she has moved here and there, so she knows. As
Yes.
I am moving, like I'm going to give exam to Mangolpuri, so I know the area of Sultanpuri, Mangolpuri. So as slowly I will be become Delhi girl.
Yes.
I will know that there is a market. Which market?
Nangloi
Nangloi
market,
market, Sadar market,
Katran
Katran
market,
market, one more market, Nagar Palika.
Sarojini
हाँ,
market,
नगर पालिका मार्केट, सनोज,
Nagar Palika, not it's a Palika Bazaar,
हाँ पालिका बाजार, सॉरी पालिका बाजार, एंड सो
Chor Bazaar.
चोर बाजार. So
We
there,
have never visited there, but we have heard because it opens at 4 a.m. since morning. That is why we did not go there. And I think we can't go at that time. We will have to take room for shopping there.
yes.
Okay, guys,
Bye
we have
bye.
completed 14 and a half seconds. Bye,
Bye bye
guys.
guys, love you all. सो गाइज अब मैं जा रही हूँ सोने, ठीक है. और आज मैंने व्लॉग बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनाया, बस थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग किया है और कुछ नहीं बनाया. आज मैं पूरे दिन सोई हूँ, आपको पता नहीं है. मैं 12:30 से 1:30 बजे तक सोई, फिर 1:30 बजे उठी, खाना वाना खाई, 2 बजे फिर सो गई, और करीबन मैं उठी हूँ सीधे, पता है आपको, 4:55 पे उठी हूँ सीधे. वॉशरूम करने के लिए भी नहीं उठी हूँ, इनफैक्ट वॉशरूम जाने के लिए. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि इतनी गहरी नींद में थी, ऊपर से सेकने वाला सब कुछ लेकर सोई थी. बिल्कुल बहुत पेट दर्द हो रहा था, आपको पता ही है पीरियड्स में क्या हाल होता है. तो उस वजह से ना एकदम हिम्मत नहीं था कि मैं कैमरा भी उठाऊं और कुछ बोलूँ. एकदम फ़ोन मेरे से बहुत दूर था, मैं बाहर अंदर सो रही थी, फ़ोन मेरा टेबल पे था, मुझे कुछ होश नहीं था सच में, पता है. हाँ, फिर मैं खाना खाने गई, तब जाके मैंने अपना टेबल पे से फ़ोन उठाया. मेरे को हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं अपना ले जाऊँ, अपना फ़ोन ले आऊँ बाहर से. बहुत थकी हुई थी और बहुत ही पैरों में बहुत दर्द हो रहा था. बट कहते हैं ना कि क्या बोलते हैं, औरतें बहुत स्ट्रांग होती हैं, तो फिर जब अपने काम करने की बारी आती है तो फिर हम स्ट्रांग हो ही जाते हैं. तो शाम को मेरी बारी थी, मैं स्ट्रांग हो गई. एंड एक जो एनर्जी होती है ना कि हमारे हस्बैंड को खाना खाना है तो जल्दी बनाना है, तो शायद ये एक इच्छा होती है, एकदम से आ जाती है. कहते हैं ना कि माँ कितनी बीमार रहेगी लेकिन अपने बच्चे के लिए बना सकती है. ऐसी मैं कितनी भी थकी रहूँ, कैसी भी रहूँ, बट एक मन में होता है ना कि हस्बैंड ने सोचा है कि मैं आके खाना खाऊंगा, तो मन में था नहीं, मुझे कैसे भी करके बनाना है, लेट नहीं होनी चाहिए मैं. तो हाँ, इसलिए भी मैंने थोड़ा जल्दी करा, नहीं तो मैं आराम से ही बना सकती थी. बट ठीक है, मिलते हैं हम कल के ब्लॉग में. बाय बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट, सी यू टुमारो. मैं दूध अभी नहीं पीऊंगी.
Do you want to watch movie?
मूवी? पर मुझे पता है मूवी ना टुकड़ों में देखना पसंद नहीं है, एक बार दे रहा हूँ, मैं रात भर देखने जाती हूँ.
तो देखा ना, अभी 10 बजे.
10 से 11, 11 से 12 है, 2 घंटे की, 2.5 घंटे की.